and welcome to another vlog. So today we have a integer board. You can make this by yourself or with the help of your parents. This is really useful for primary. So I wanted to show you how to use this integer board. Okay? So let's write some equations. So 3 plus 2 minus 4 plus 3. Okay? So we are going to see the first one, 3 plus 2. So let's go on 3. Right here, 3. Now we are going to go 2 steps forward. 1, 2. It landed on 5. So the answer is 5. We are going to write that right here. Now the next equation, minus 4 plus 3. So we are going to go to minus 4 right here. We are going to go for 3 forward. So 1, 2, 3. It landed on minus 1. So the answer is minus 1. Okay. So let's write down some more equations. Minus 6 minus 2. Okay. And minus 5 plus 6. Okay. So we're going to solve them. The first equation, minus 6 minus 2. So we're going to go to minus 6 and we're going to go backwards 2 times. So 1, 2. It landed on minus 8. So the answer is minus 8. Now the next equation, minus 5 plus 6. So we're going to go to minus 5. We're going to plus 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 1. Guys, I hope you understand this video on the integer board. You can make the integer board by yourself or with the help of your parents. Please subscribe and smash that like button.